Hello there and welcome to this part of our music lesson. I thought you all made a brilliant start to your Jazz Legends project this week and you're going to be finishing those off today. Now this week we know that we'll be back at school next week, and so there's a slight change of plan with the projects because when you finish them I'll be turning them into PowerPoint slides and I'll make a big project from them and we'll be looking at all of them together as a class in school so we can all learn about all the jazz legends together. So you want to make sure that your project looks really good and that it will work as a PowerPoint because each page of your Seesaw task will become a page on the PowerPoint. So on the whole, as I said, they were really good. There were a few problems with some of them, and to show you how to correct these, I've made a video of a project about the American drummer Buddy Rich, which has loads and loads of problems in, and I wonder if you can spot any of these problems that you have also got on your project, and I'll show you how to correct them. Here you go. So this is the title page, and the first problem is that I haven't deleted these labels. So these labels are helpful for when you're working, so you know what you're supposed to be doing on that page, and so you're making sure you've got everything in the right order, but there's no reason for it to be there when you've finished, so we can delete that straight away. Now also, this picture some of it is off the screen, so be careful about your pictures and the size of it, because on the PowerPoint, when I make the PowerPoint for you, only the bit on the screen will you be able to see. Now also, that's behind, so now I can't see the text. So make sure we can see the text. That is much better now. Okay, so moving on. Oh dear, there are boxes which are overlapping, meaning that I can't see what they say. So I need to get them in a nice order again. Again, that shouldn't be there. Now, also I haven't put colons in between name or nickname and the actual name, because otherwise it doesn't make sense. Or you can do a new text box next to it. So name Buddy Rich, and that isn't his nickname, that's just his name. So I delete nickname because it doesn't apply. Okay, again, instruments. He only plays the drums, which is one instrument, drum kit. And here, other musical talents, composing / band leading / teaching. That's for example. As a matter of fact, he did all three, but you don't need the example there. So just delete all of that. You don't need it, and it looks messy. Clogs it up. There we go. And it would be really nice to add some pictures in there, which I'm not going to do now. But it looks a bit bare, but at least the layout is clear and good now. Oh dear, what's happened here? This massive bit of text is everywhere. One, is too small to read, and two, it's copied and pasted. I don't want any copied and pasted text in your work. You can copy and paste it in and then choose bits that you like and rewrite them in your own words. That's fine, but can't just copy and paste it in. Okay, then final page. Again, all of this should be got rid of, like on the last page. That is quite big, but these are tiny, so make sure the size of your things is appropriate, and that is too high and too narrow, isn't it? Makes it hard to read. There we go. And we don't need to have my chosen piece again there, because you said here your chosen piece is Caravan. It doesn't need to say add YouTube link here because there's the YouTube link. Now, some of you weren't sure how to add the YouTube link. Here, link, and then you have to paste in the URL of the website. So that's what it says at the top of the screen when you're on YouTube. I wonder if you made any of the same mistakes that I did on that project, and now you know how to find them and correct them. So have fun finishing off your project today. If you finish before the end of the lesson, then go on to Solfege Like a Boss and see how many levels you can complete. And finally, I've deliberately not added a template to the seesaw task this week because it's last week's task that you need to go back and finish, which I think should be left on draft from last week. So you can go and finish that task, but hopefully this video will help you in finishing that and doing it really well. See you soon. Bye.